Hey there, before I get into the video, I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored. However, this mic was provided to me for free to review, but all of my thoughts and opinions that I've stated in this video are my own and they were not influenced in any way. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I have a review of this FiFine microphone. So this is the FiFine K678, and this is a fairly mid to high end USB microphone. So if I show you the box here, you can see some of the specs. It's a cardioid pickup pattern, 16mm capsule. It says it's got excellent sound quality, but as always we will be testing that in this video. It has a dedicated mute switch to quickly mute, which is pretty cool, microphone gain, and as well as headphone volume. So I'm guessing you can actually plug in your headphones directly into the mic, which is pretty cool. Some of the other specs are on this side. So you have your system requirements, so Windows 10, Mac OS or whatever, and then you also have your dimensions, your weight, and what the package includes. So the box here is actually pretty cool. It's actually got some good weight to it, but it's rather small. So if you show my hand against it, it's a pretty small box, but let's just get straight into it. So I think it opens like this. So there is a tab here. I don't have a knife with me, so I'm unfortunately going to just pick at it, which is not the fun way of opening things, but I forgot my knife and yeah, so let's just do that. So that is opened and just opens towards us. I mean away from us, sorry. So hey, so you have some documentation, so you have your user guide and a little pamphlet to show you their contact details, so their email, their Facebook page, and the company website. So I'll put that off to the side. Here's your user manual. I'm not going to go into full detail on here, but it just shows you like how to connect, what some of the buttons do, etc. I'm not going to like fully show everything in here, but you guys can probably find this online and look into it in your own time. So let's just put that off to the side, and nice padded protection here. And here is the microphone itself. So if I take this out, wow, this feels really nice. So it is metal. So I think it's actually all made out of metal. So first impressions are pretty good. I'll put this off to the side and I'll just finish the rest of the accessories. So what else do we have? We have not sure what this is. I will have to check afterwards. Maybe something for the stand or something. But we have that. And we also have a box in here, I believe, which is the cable, I'm guessing. I'm going to need a knife for that, I think, or we can watch me do this. Actually, it's not too bad. Boom. And in here, we have, if I can get it open, the cable, I'm assuming. Yeah. So this is the cable included, and you get a pretty decent cable here. Nothing like amazing, but it's pretty nice. And this runs off mini USB, I think that is. So mini USB. So you got a nice USB to mini USB cable included. And when it comes to the box's contents, that is all. So I'm going to use this mic for about a week now, and I'm going to give a few sound tests with some of the other mics I own, and then I'll give you my overall verdict on this. This costs around £70 at the time of recording. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in about a week after using. Alright, so here's a sound test of the FiFine microphone, and as you can hear from this audio recording, the audio sounds pretty good. There is little background noise and the vocals are really crisp. For context, I will not add any post-processing to this audio, as well as I will not add any background removal, etc. And as well, the wheel at the back for gain is set to the lowest. Now I'm going to type on a keyboard while talking, so you can hear how much background noise enters the mic. The keyboard is around 7 inches away from the mic, and I'm talking about 5 inches away from the mic. Now I'm going to let the keyboard do its own thing on its own. Alright, so here you have a sound test of the BlueSnowball Ice. this is about 3 inches away from my mouth, and I will not add any boost or anything, any enhancements to this audio, so you can get a good idea of how this sounds compared to the competition. Here is the mechanical keyboard test as well. So if I just spam some keys. And while I'm talking to, hello, spam the keys. Yes, these are very loud Gateron reds, and you should get a good idea of how that sounded. So after listening to them two sound tests, I actually think that the FiFine sounds a bit better than the BlueSnowball in my opinion. The BlueSnowball is a bit cheaper, around £20 cheaper, but with the FiFine you're going to get a dedicated mute switch, you're going to get the ability to plug in headphones directly into the mic and get a live monitoring of your audio, as well as a gain increaser or knob at the back. And I actually think that the stand included on the FiFine is better, and the mic is actually built slightly better as well. So there are some advantages. However, the FiFine is a bit more expensive. I do actually think it is worth it if you're wanting to get something a bit higher end, but it's not like an amazing value or anything. I think the features that you're getting are actually quite good. Personally, the gain, I never touched the gain knob because if I increase that, it just got way too loud. I think it's perfect at 0 gain at the back of the mic out of the box. The audio that you're listening to now is actually from the FiFine mic. However, this is not stock. I've slightly tweaked it in voice meter to a point where I actually think it sounds better. So yeah, in conclusion, I think this is a great mic for that price of around £70. I think this is competing more with the Blue Yeti, which is around £100. I haven't tried a Yeti, so I can't really say how it is, but this is a pretty good alternative for around £30 to £50 less than a Yeti. It has a similar kind of stand, it has similar kind of features, it does have gain, mute switch, etc. built in, and I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for around a BlueSnowball or something. I think if you spend the extra money, you're actually getting a significantly better mic. Also, I actually tended to use this mic more without the included stand. I actually used it on my boom arm. So all of this recorded audio that you're hearing now is actually it on the boom arm. But the sound test I did earlier was me using the stock stand for reference. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to help support what I do and you want to purchase this product, as always, I'll have my Amazon affiliate links in the description. If you use them when you purchase, it'll mean a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace out.